Hello, this is Larry Tentarelli with the Blue Chip Daily Trend Report with a brief instructional video. We're going to take a look at an open position that I've got in Amazon. So it hit a new all-time high today, currently plus 24%. So we'll take a look at the entry. We're going to take a look at the chart, and I'll walk you through the process. So we'll start with the entry. So I posted it April 6th on the premium Twitter feed. So I opened a long position in Amazon just under 1976. And what I do on the premium feed is all of my trading activity is posted in real time. And then on the next day, which was April 7, I posted that Amazon is one of the best charts on my screen as far as where it is in the price base. And then on April 16, the position hit plus 20%. So I had two positions that were plus 20% at the time. So I dialed back a piece of Amazon on April 16. I'm still holding the rest of the position. So we'll take a look at the chart and I'll walk you through it right now. So the entry was on April 6th, just under 1976. And what happened with Amazon is that it just recently came over the 50-day moving average, came down, tested around the 200-day. And then it came back over the 50-day. So I took the position once it reclaimed the 50-day moving average, and the position pretty much started to work right away going into the weekend. And then next Monday on the 13th is when it really started to move higher. And then within a short period of time, it was at plus 20%. So once it reached plus 20%, I dialed back a piece of the position. And this is very similar to the Netflix video if you've seen that, but in a nutshell, I dialed it back up at plus 20%, and then it started to back off a little bit. And I don't over trade these positions or over analyze them. So I expect some volatility. And what I do once I get into a winning position is I'll dial back a piece from a risk management point of view, but I want to stay in the position. So it traded sideways down into the 20-day moving average. So it tested the 20-day, then it held higher, started to move higher. One closed below the 20-day, and then today it broke out. It touched 24.85, and then it closed at 24.49. So once it hit 24.85, that gave it a new all-time high. As of now, I'm at plus 24% in the position. But the trade was pretty simple. Once it came back over the 50-day moving average, I took the position. Once we hit plus 20%, I booked partial gains in the position. Then it's pretty much consolidated sideways. Now from 24.61 to 22.56, that's a 200-point drawdown. But the way that I manage my positions, because I've got a longer term trend following time frame, is once I get into these big winners, I don't want to overtrade the position and try and save a couple dollars here or there and then maybe lose my position. So I just stay with it. I've got a trend following strategy that I use. And right now, if we take a look at the trend, the 200-day, 100-day, 50-day, and 20-day are all trending higher. The stock has had one close below the 20-day since April. So not even since April, going back to March. So it's in a very, very strong uptrend. And what I want to do here is stay with the position and see just how far it can go. Sometimes what will happen is the trades will come back down and I'll give some back at the end, but that's fine because what I want to do is once I get into these positions is I want to push them as far as I can. So you can go back and take a look. The blog will walk you through the screenshots for the entry, the next day chart analysis, where we dialed back a piece, and then there's the chart itself. And then my website is Blue Chip Daily Trend Report. The URL is bluechipdaily.com. You can click on you can see our best trades, recent best trades, blog. If you click onto the recent best trade alerts, you'll be able to go through similar blogs with screenshots and charts for some of our recent best ideas. And we've got this for all of the year here. And then if you click on to the Join Now page, you'll be able to see the member benefits, including the premium Twitter feed, real-time email notification and Twitter updates of any new positions that are taken. We keep our real-time members 24/7 access performance tracking spreadsheet of all positions. And this is updated in real time. So entries, exits, stop losses, position sizing. Also for our daily best ideas, we keep track of everything. We've got a daily video and trend report that we send out. And then there's also a weekly trend report and a weekly video. So we are actively accepting new subscribers, and we hope to see you soon.